Hello, everyone. Have you ever found yourself searching for answers in our community but felt a bit overwhelmed? Well, we totally understand, which is why we're excited to introduce a tool that makes finding information a breeze, the Community AI Assistant. Let's go over how to effectively use the AI Assistant and improve the experience for everyone. Let's get started. To access the AI Assistant, simply click the purple chat bubble in the bottom left corner of your screen. Choose the product area that matches your question or just select Other if you're unsure. Then, type your question. Our AI assistant pulls information from support pages, community posts, and even YouTube videos to help answer your questions fast. Still not finding what you're looking for? Don't worry. Create a post and let our wonderful community do the rest. To make the most of this tool and ensure it's helpful for everyone, here's a few tips. If someone provides a reply that solves your question, mark it as best answer. This helps our AI assistant learn what works best and prioritize those solutions for you and others. Mistakes happen. If the assistant gives you an answer that's not quite right, click Not Helpful. We review this feedback regularly to improve the assistant's accuracy. After all, we want to get it right. So, have you tried the Community AI Assistant yet? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Your feedback helps us grow. Thanks for watching.